How to connect Tapo camera to Wi-Fi. This is how you connect the Tapo camera to Wi-Fi. If you've got a brand new camera like this one, or you need to do a factory reset on a camera and add it to another Wi-Fi address, then this is what we do. Now, just so you know, if you wanted to change the Wi-Fi address on the camera, you need to give it a factory reset and add the camera again using the new Wi-Fi. So let's do that now. So as you can see here, it's going red and green. That means it's ready to connect. But if you need to do a factory reset, we would find the hole on the camera, press and hold it with a paperclip until it says something. Let's do that now. There we go, press and hold. There we go. And that means it's rebooted the camera and it's going to factory reset it. So now we need to wait for it to boot up again until it goes green and red. So while it's doing that, we're going to go to the Tapo app. And we're going to go on Tapo, and then we're going to go on our list of cameras. And you'll see a plus icon up there. We're going to click on that. And then we're going to click on Add Device. And now we're going to search for the camera. So we're going to put in Tapo C1, and it should come up with a list, Tapo C110, which is this camera here. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see here, it's going green and red, which means it's ready to connect. It says here, already going green and red. We go, yep, it's ready. We click on that. And now we need to connect this phone to this camera's Wi-Fi, because it has its own internal Wi-Fi, which is how we sync it up. So now we're going to go to our Wi-Fi. Let's go to all our Wi-Fi addresses. We'll go to Wi-Fi on this one, and we're going to look for the Tapo camera that's just appeared. And we want to say, hey, let me connect to this phone so I can transfer some settings over. Okay, let's do that now. We connect to that. It should connect it automatically. It's ready now. Now we go back to the Tapo app. And then we say, yep, I'm already connected. And it should find it straight away. There we go, found it. And now we go through the menu screens to say, let's sync this Wi-Fi in my room, and these are the settings, and tell this camera to use that from going forward. And we go, yeah, that's my network name and that's my password. Click on next. It says, yeah, we'll connect to that network in the future. We say yes. And now this will say, right, send these details over to this camera and save them for the future. So the next time it turns on, it uses the home's Wi-Fi network instead of the phone's, instead of its own. And then we do that. So we wait for it to send it all over. And now we go through the motions of adding the camera. So we can just say, this is the test camera, give it a name, test. And then we can say where it is, doesn't matter where it is, pick your own, pick an icon, click next, and then it says configuring. So now it configures it all up. And pretty much that's it. It will go through the other screens and it will say, hey, what do you want to do with this camera? This is what we do. And there you go. Sounds good. Complete. We don't want a free trial. Okay. Let's just go up there. Now we want to update the firmware if you want to, just about the times for that. You say, yeah, okay, whatever. Let me just get onto this camera. And now, if we click on the camera, we'll do an update later, you'll see me. Hey. And that's it. And that is how you connect a camera to the Wi-Fi. So thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and give me a comment if this was helpful. Thank you. Bye.